Alright, today we'll be talking about solving systems of linear inequalities. And this will be the last, step before we get to solving a system of linear programming. Okay, so solving system of linear inequalities, you're going to want to be using Desmos quite a bit. Okay, so let me get rid of these. These are old equations that I had in here. Okay, so system of linear inequalities, you literally just type in what your system is. So if it's y is greater than or equal to 3x minus 1, okay, there's your actual graph. Here, I'm going to get rid of the keyboard because we don't need it at this point. Or if it's a standard form, like 2x minus 5y is less than 2. Okay, now if you notice when I overlap this, normally when you overlap this in Algebra 2, you had a pencil and you were able to see what the answer was. But here it's kind of hard because I have two different colors. So if you change the colors to be the same color, so I'm going to change it both to be black, you can actually see the answer a lot better. And you can actually see the boundary area that is the answer for this question. Okay, now testing points, we're no longer in Algebra 1, so testing points I don't think we need to test. So 0, 0, all this, but if you are doing it by hand, you do need test points. I highly recommend use the Desmos calculator just to get the answer a little bit faster. Okay, and you can see the boundaries here, which is including this line up to this point, and then not these points on this line, but everything inside of it, and then everything inside of here. Okay, and remember, the reason why we're not including the points on the dotted line is because those points are technically they're points that don't answer this second question the best they could. Okay? Alright, well guys, that's pretty much it for right now. That is solving a system of linear inequalities. If you actually had to mix in, oh shoot, that's linear inequalities. Now if you had to actually mix in some nonlinear inequalities, let's say y is greater than or equal to x squared, something like this, you could actually find it by finding the overlap, which is pretty easy because it's just this part. However you want to do it, it's really kind of cool how it works that way. And you can also zoom out your picture and be able to see, oh, it's just this sliver taken off, so I just need to take that sliver off, and then it's the rest of the parabola. Okay? Alright, and obviously linear inequalities are just not subjective. Solving them are not just subjective to linear, they're also subjective to quadratic or whatever form you want. Alright, you guys, thank you very much and have a great day.